What's up, ladies? Today we are trying out the Nutique Illuze Sephina. It is a beautiful Hollywood wave style. I used the red lace tint spray in the color medium brown to get the lace to my perfect skin color. Then I just used my cutting shears to cut around the lace and, customize it to my head shape. Before I put this wig on, I did do some pre-plucking, so it is a little bit bigger than what I originally showed you guys. Looking back now, I would probably use like some type of Marcel wax or some type of like hair wax so that I could tame the frizziness. But at this time that I did this video, I did not know that you can do that. But being on TikTok, you learn everything. So if you do get this unit, I would suggest getting some wax so that you could tame down the frizziness of the Hollywood wave. But other than that, the hair is very soft, it's beautiful, and you definitely can do a lot of different styles and customizations with this wig. I'm using the Spritz by Fantasia just to do a soft hold onto the lace. And for me, if you put the spritz underneath the lace and then blow dry it after, it stays better on the sides if you do have a problem with the flaps coming up and down like that. So I'm taking my edge melt band and basically securing everything, making sure it's going to be as melted as possible, and I'm using low heat so that I can just give a little bit of a melt. Then I'm going to take my Kiss Cream Foundation. This is $4.99 at any local beauty supply store. Of course, I shop at Beauty Exchange. You guys can use my code KateGainer online if you do want to check out this Illuze Sephina. I think it's only like $40. I may be wrong, but all of the description information will be below. I just used that, and I used a little bit of my foundation to do the part because I just wanted to look like as natural as possible. This gave me like Hollywood old style pinup doll, pinup girl type of hair. So if you like that style, this Sephina wig would definitely be for you. They have so many other colors, blondes, browns, beautiful colors, beautiful mixes that would be cute for a pinup style. I used the spritz again on both sides just to give a little bit of height. Again, we going for that pinup style. All the pinup girls do have a little bit of height at the front of their hair. Then I used the heat protecting spray. I didn't want to use oil or anything like that, so I decided to use the heat protecting spray just to define my curls a little bit better. And I didn't show it on camera, but I did spray that all around the hair and then just brush my hands through. And now I'm making the hair even on all sides just because I feel like that looks better, and a little bit of the hairs were longer than the others. It wasn't all around the full of the wig. So once I made everything even and full, I went ahead and tried to do some soft finger waves just right at the top. Now, this is what I was saying earlier. If you do use the wax, like you literally just would put the wax on your hands and like spread it out and bounce it back up, and then everything would be in perfect form. So you guys really do check that method out if you do decide to get this wig, but you don't have to lose a lot. So this is my final look for the Illuze Sephina. I got this on mybeautyexchange.com. See you next time.